There was a point in my history when I used to go around to a lot of corner stores because I just like, I don't know, it was, there was a lot of stuff going on in a corner store. You can see a lot of the human condition going on, and it's pretty raw, pretty rough, and there's, in these places, they sell things to people that are kind of predatory, I think, things that they shouldn't, things that are not good for people. And the different places where you go, they put things next to kids stuff, there's candy, and next to that will be, bongs or some shit, and knives. So anyway, this song is called Bongs and Butterfly Knives. Tired feet walk on the street past vacant lots. A neighborhood not very good, but all we've got. The kids at the corner store stare at us hard. Where for a chance to win, we must fill in on lotto cards. You can place a bet, buy cigarettes, months and beers. All the finest things in life are offered here. Goods on the shelves, define ourselves, shape our lives. Penny candies, bongs, butterfly knives. Laying low in the bodega aisles. The man behind the counter never smiles. You can eat and repeat until you're dead. But the phony food they sell you just won't keep your body fed. Find ourselves, shape our lives. Penny candies, bongs, and butterfly knives. Penny candies, bongs, and butterfly knives. There you go, close enough.